Hi guys, welcome to HTR and you're watching Hashtag Reviews. This is Nothing Phone 1, the very first phone from Nothing with this beautiful, stunning, transparent back panel and a sleek Glyph interface. However, users soon encountered there are some performance issues and some dusting issues. Then Nothing has launched its phone 2 with the significant performance upgrades while retaining the same transparent back panel and improvements in Glyph interface. And phone 2 was launched with a very hefty price and users couldn't take it up. Now Nothing has launched this Nothing Phone 2A with the beauty combines the elegance of phone 1 and the brains of phone 2, all packaged at a sweet spot price of rupees 23,999, and it's a perfect blend of style, performance and affordability. And I was lucky enough to get my device in the first 100 sales. I was the number 25th at the drop location here in Hyderabad AMB Mall, and excited to meet the co-founder Mr. Akish Bhai. And I also had the opportunity to share a couple of my insights and advices on Nothing Phone products with him. Additionally, Nothing has offered goodies for the first 100 purchases of Nothing Phone 2A, a complimentary original case designed specifically for the Nothing Phone 2A, along with the sleek Nothing ear stick and Nothing brand carry bag and a collection of some stylish Nothing stickers for free. Nothing Phone 2A comes in this designer package, no plastic, book kind of a case with a welcome message on the left side, obviously a phone and a 45-watt supporting charging cable, but there is no charger is shipped with the box. You need to purchase it separately, and some booklet with a safety and user guide and its authentic SIM ejector. And Nothing Phone 2A comes with 6.7 inches AMOLED display with a minimal bezels evenly across the border and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Its transparent back panel offers a stunning aesthetic, and it's important to note that it's made of plastic and can be prone to scratches if used without a case. The phone showcases two distinct separations at the top and the bottom, while its outer frame looks like a metal, but it's actually a matte finish hard plastic. Nothing Phone 2A has three Glyph lighting indicators assigned to different functionalities such as timer or volume controller or food delivery apps, etc. Additionally, you will enjoy the dynamic music visualization that syncs with the audio playing through the speaker. But the problem is that it works even when you are taking calls also, not especially with the music. However, the charging meter was absent, a feature which was highlighted during the introduction of Glyph interface in Nothing Phone 1. Nothing Phone 2A positions its camera module at the center of the NFC coil, resembling a beautiful eyes. This placement offers a practical advantage whether you are holding the phone horizontally or vertically while taking photos, and there is no need to worry about the finger abstraction or grip interface. Dual 50 megapixel cameras with OIS and EIS capabilities, the device excels in normal, night and low light photography. And also I am recording this video in 1080p 30 fps. The image stabilization is quite okay. This is, you can see how the footage is coming from. Recording this video in 4K in only one option, that is 30 fps. However, it lacks a dedicated macro mode And while taking photos, it takes couple of seconds to process that photo. And initially I thought it was just because of backup was on, that is why it is happening. Now the backup is off. Even though the backup auto backup is off, it takes still the same couple of seconds to process that particular photo. Friend, it supports 32 megapixel camera, delivers crisp 1080p video at 60 fps. Powering the Nothing Phone 2A is the exclusive MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chip, delivers commendable smoothness. It falls slightly behind the performance by the Nothing Phone 2. Whether you are binge watching movies or YouTube for a longer hours or indulging in heavy gaming sessions, rest assured you won't encounter any heating issues at all. Nothing Phone 2A is shipped with Nothing OS 2.5.3 built on the clean Android 14 platform, completely no bloatware. Absolutely no. The device introduces some handy extra widgets such as battery, recorder, and camera. By default, battery widget displays phone battery status, seamlessly switching to display both battery levels when the audio devices are connected. Moreover, users can customize camera settings and create personalized widgets for specific photo preferences, streamlining the photography experience. Nothing Phone 2A brings up AI featured wallpapers to generate stunning wallpapers in mere moments. Those are looking classy and looks extremely good. With a faster charging, 120 Hz refresh rate, a hefty 5000 mAh battery, a 50 megapixel OIS and EIS camera, the Nothing Phone 2A sets standards for performance and functionality. And all of this comes in an incredible price of rupees 23,999 here in India, coupled with a promise of 3 years of Android OS updates and 4 years of security updates. And nothing can get better than this. Nothing. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.